Hi guys, a beautiful Tuesday everyone. We have you in the building. What do I bring to the table here, Miss? And when you see Arisu, you see any sound. Yes. We deal with high crystal sound. Yes. Let's make your event a memorable one. Let's give you value for your money. Kí ló ń ṣe yín ẹyẹ sáré kiri mọ́? A.M.E sound là ń jẹ́ ó ti yé yín. A ní kẹ́ ẹ gbéṣẹ́ yín wá. A máa fún yín ní irinṣẹ́ ìgbàlódé. Irúṣẹ́ tó máa fún yín lọ́kàn balẹ̀. Tẹ́ẹ̀ ni máa sáré kiri lọ́jọ́ pátí tí ò wá ní dàbí pé irú irinṣẹ́ wo lẹ gbà táwọn àlejò yín máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí yín. Guys, A.M.E sound nìkan ló lè ṣe é. Tell us what you want. Let's work with your budget. We are not cheap, guys, but we are affordable. Nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ ní kẹ́ ẹ sọ fún wa. Concert, anything tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ ṣe ṣàjẹ́ ká mọ̀. A máa bá yín plan ni, a máa bá yín make sure pé irinṣẹ́ aspect yẹn ìdán ni. Kò séèyàn tó máa débẹ̀ tó máa ní pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ níbà irinṣẹ́ yẹn ní sound ni. Nǹkan tá à ń jẹ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. All right, guys. Keep supporting Yarisi. Keep supporting my content. Keep supporting my husband business. Keep supporting me. A.M.E sound to the world. Have a fruitful Tuesday. Ní ọjọ́ Ṣẹ́gun, Ọlọ́run á bá èmi àti ẹ, á bá wa ṣẹ́gun rírí, á bá wa ṣẹ́gun ẹ̀rí. Gbogbo ojú tó wò mí, gbogbo ogun tó wà nínú ayé yín, Olúwa á bá wa ṣe kíni, á bá wa ṣẹ́ wọlẹ̀. Ìlérí májẹ̀mú Ọlọ́run ní ti dáadáa, ó máa ṣẹ nínú ayé èmi àti ẹ. All right, guys. Have a lovely Tuesday ahead. Fruitful week. Bye, guys. And when you see this video, share. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Comment. Don't be a wish. Do you hear me? You heard what I said? Don't be a wish. Don't be a wish. All right, guys. Bye, guys. Don't mind me.